amazing relationship. The Marriott has been very, very kind to us. So I'm happy to be here today. And the food truck, yes, this is such a good idea. Six cities, is it, in India?
6 cities.
Six
yeah,
cities.
We went to Ahmedabad, Lucknow.
Yeah, north, middle, and south. So fantastic. Yeah, it's great. Well, I was just saying, in our movie Chef, we only had one thing on the food menu, which the critics weren't impressed with. So I'm sure this food truck will have many, many more delicious things, which I'm happy about. I don't know. I love roadside food also.